Hey guys, Dean here again with Team Debrew, and in today's video we are going to be taking a look at the Propeller Ads network and a little bit more detail about that. We're going to be taking a look at the top 3 offers to promote on the Propeller Ads network. So if you guys are ready, let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, here we are. This is the Propeller Ads website, PropellerAds.com. If you guys aren't aware of Propeller Ads, they are a performance-driven advertising platform for marketers and affiliates. Basically what we use them for is for our push notification campaigns. They have a great push traffic platform that allows us to promote our campaigns on, and it's really a good platform to start on if you are looking to see if your CPA offers are going to convert well, as well as build data to analyze and optimize and find out if this campaign is going to be something worth doing or if it's something that's able to scale, things like that. So with that being said, let's take a little look around, a brief look around of the Propeller Ads network. Let's see a little bit more about who Propeller Ads is, and then from there we'll go ahead and get into the beef of this, where we are going to tell you the top 3 offers or verticals or types of offers to promote on the Propeller Ads network with their push notification platform. So with that being said, let's go ahead and take a look at the platform here today. So again, Propeller Ads, right off the bat, built for performance, grow your revenue with performance-driven advertising platform for marketers and affiliates. So you can sign up here as an advertiser if you want to be an advertiser here, or you can be a publisher, different things, whatever you want to do. Let's see. So one kind of cool thing about Propeller Ads is they do have automated ad optimization. So boost productivity by cutting manual processes out, auto-optimize your ad campaigns using their automated system. So basically you're not going to have to come in here and get rid of all the types of zones and everything that you're going to want, or get rid of the zones that aren't performing well. You can set up some pre-set up rules, things like that, to go ahead and tell the automated system to make these changes for you. So this will boost your productivity, cut out a lot of the manual work that you would have to do yourself, and that's kind of a benefit of them as well. They also are a really nice self-serve platform. It's really easy to get started with Propeller Ads and to start promoting your different CPA offers. If you've seen some of our other videos here, some of our Watch Me Build videos, you'll notice that we go through the setup somewhat quickly. I mean, enough for you to understand, but quickly because, I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory. Then they do reach around 1 billion users throughout all of their different advertising formats. As you can see here, they offer push notifications, on-click ads, and native interstitials. Today we're only going to talk about really push notifications, since that's what this is really focused on. So they do have a nice push notification network. One reason we do use them is because they actually have around 350 million real users on their push notification network alone. This is a great, again, if you're really trying to test out a CPA offer and see if it's going to be convert well, how it's going to react with the audience, as well as build data to see if it's something that's going to be worth optimizing on and scaling in the future. So yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it for that. That's pretty much straightforward. And that's that. I mean, they've got some basic stuff down here on like agency stuff, and if you want to learn a little bit more about their network, you could look into here, as well as some of their partners that they work with. So you might have seen some of our spicy offers videos, or CPA Matica, Ad Combo. All of these networks that we work with, they actually are partners with as well. And then these are just some reviews, it looks like. But so with that being said, let's go ahead and get into the details of this video, which you guys all showed up here for today. Let's talk about the 3 different offer types that work best on the Propeller Ads network. And actually, Propeller Ads pretty much did all the work for me, so I don't have to create any kind of cute little slideshow or anything for you guys to follow along. Propeller Ads actually has this in their blog, what works best on their platform, straight from them themselves. So I've already got that pulled up here. So these are the easiest verticals to work with, the 3 offer types that work best on Propeller Ads. Let's take a look at them and see what they are. So the first one is obviously going to be dating. The dating industry is considered an evergreen because people need love all around the year. These offers usually have really high conversions, and they can have a variety of pricing models depending on them. So any kind of dating offers, adult stuff, all that kind of stuff does really well on here. One, because you can't promote those offers on a lot of the other networks like Facebook, things like that. They don't really allow it. And because, again, it's something that pretty much everyone is interested in. It's relatable for everyone. It's pretty broad. When you're looking to promote on push notifications, you want to take a look at some of the broad verticals or things that are really relatable to everyone. So first one, dating. That's going to be a big one. As you see here, it's just going to kind of give you a little dating thing. And the next category would be sweepstakes. So something that all of you guys are aware of. We teach it quite a lot. Sweepstake offers, that's our bread and butter. So sweepstake offers do really well on push notification campaigns, specifically with Propeller Ads, like they're saying here, because they, again, are relatable to everyone. They are broad usually, so they usually relate around getting some kind of retail store gift card, like an Amazon gift card, or maybe a local store in your area or your country. They revolve around free gas. People always love free gas, free things like that. Travel, shopping, people love to travel, things like that. So sweepstake offers do really well as well because, of course, people want to win things. They want to get free stuff, and they just work really well on here as well. So lastly, let's see what the last one is here for Propeller Ads. Let's see what they have to say for that. It looks like it's going to be app installs. So this is going to be for any kind of software offers, which can vary quite a lot. You got like the desktop ones where they're more relating to antivirus type stuff, or maybe some Java stuff, McAfee, any kind of programs to download. And this also goes into for app installs for mobile as well. So any kind of games, any kind of productivity mobile apps. Sometimes you'll see like some casino app type stuff installed. All these type of things, these do really well on here as well, just because, again, they're broad. So as you guys can see, one thing with all of these different things is they relate to a really broad audience. That's something that you really want to keep in mind when you're thinking about promoting your CPA offers on push notification networks like Propeller Ads or Zero Park or wherever it may be. With push notifications, because you can't really get super detailed like you can with Facebook. Let's say if you were promoting a Coca-Cola offer, you can't necessarily go straight to Coca-Cola and promote Coca-Cola just within the detailed targeting. So with push ads, really you only have a location type of thing. Sometimes they'll let you even break down by city, but it doesn't really get too crazy with the detailed targeting that you can do with it. So when you do these offers, you want to promote things that are very broad. So I hope that helped you guys out here today. I know it was kind of quick, but there's really not too much to talk about other than this. If you have any questions on how to set up any of these campaigns with any of the affiliate networks or any of the traffic sources, or how to run push notification ads in general, or do CPA marketing in general, you're going to want to do a couple things. One, check out some of our other videos here on our channel. There's a lot of great information on here revolving around CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, push notifications, Propeller Ads, Zero Park, all of these great things. You're going to want to check out our channel, take a look at some of our other videos.
Are you struggling with your affiliate marketing business or want to take things to the next level? Allow me to introduce you to Dijs University. Dijs University is the #1 affiliate marketing training platform in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced affiliate marketer, Dijs University offers you thousands of different videos with topics such as Facebook, volume, adplexity, and many more of your favorite topics. Step by step, you will learn the secret super affiliate ways to get the most out of each traffic source. Dominate each vertical with our detailed quick start guides. Are you ready to get started? Click the link in the description to sign up today.